In this video, we're going to discuss 3 companies that are hiring part-time freelance transcribers or independent contractors. The first one is Kisamago.com. Kisamago is a business that provides professional transcribing services all over the world. They offer mainly legal and business transcription. And according to their website, they have more than 10,000 happy clients, which means that it is an established transcription company. On their website, they have a testimonials area featuring a few of their clientele speaking positively about the company's services. This transcription company is based in Mumbai, India, so it probably employs transcribers from India. But we'll see later if being a resident in India is one of their requirements for employing freelancers. The services section of their website lists the many types of transcription services they provide. They transcribe interviews, YouTube videos, podcasts, Supreme Court audio recordings, among others. So if and when you get hired by this company, those will almost certainly be the types of files you'll be working on. Now let's talk about how to apply as a transcriber. Navigate to the bottom of their homepage and click Careers. We've also put the link in the description below. Their application process is simple. All you need to do is transcribe a short test file, which is a little over 2 minutes. Let's listen to their test file.
But like you can just go. I used to be a wooden pole fan, and what I would do to get into tighter quarters, because you find yourself rolling in a hallway and you're like bang 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 bang. I'd cut them short. I'd cut them down to 2 foot, and I was fine with that, and I loved it forever.
I like those too.
If you want to download the audio, just right-click here. Then click View Page Source and look for the MP3 file. You'll see the file right here. Click this and it will open in a new tab. Next is click these 3 dots right here and click Download. Now you're ready to transcribe the file. Once you're done transcribing the file, you can fill out their form and click Submit. They have a note here at the bottom that says that your selection as a transcriber is entirely based on the quality of your transcript. So make sure to edit your file before you submit it. They make no mention of requirements or qualifications. So if you're not from India, you can probably give it a try, or maybe try to contact them and ask if they are hiring people regardless of the location. The second company is TranscriptionWave.com. This company is located in Chicago, Illinois, and has served over 22,000 satisfied clients since they started in 2008. They offer a variety of transcription services such as legal transcription, sermon transcription, podcast transcription, and webinar transcription. How to apply? Navigate on the bottom of their website and click on Apply for Job. You can also find the link in the description below. On the job application page of their website, you will see the description for the general transcriptionist job. They are looking for home-based general transcriptionists who have a great attention to detail and are able to work at home with no supervision as an independent contractor. Job duties will include transcribing audio interviews, focus groups, business meetings, conference calls, market research, corporate videos and the like. Their requirements are the following: expert in Word and transcription software, accurate grammar and spelling, good typing speed, great listening skills, proofreading with maximum accuracy, proficient with internet investigation, and attention to detail. We discuss all these in our free transcription course. If you haven't had the chance to look into it, check the link in the description below. The pay rate is not specifically mentioned on their website, but they offer rates based on the quality of audio recordings per audio hour. You can apply by sending your resume via email or by filling out a form. The third company is Pacific Transcription. It's a transcription company based in Australia that has been providing high-quality transcription services since 2002 and have achieved significant growth through all these years. Pacific Transcription works with clients in the area of media, finance, medical, legal, and research. And they also offer other services such as minute-taking and live captioning. Their caption writers, steno-captioners or stenographers, produce real-time transcription of the spoken word, onto a screen. Live captions are produced on-site or remotely and streamed via a web link. How to apply? Navigate to the bottom of their webpage and click Careers. On the left-hand side, you'll see some information about their typing contractor opportunities. What skills do they require? They require someone with 3 years experience in research, finance or legal transcription, or 5 years experience in medical transcription. You should have good research skill using Google. You need to have good listening skill and you should be able to understand and transcribe files with poor audio quality. You should have excellent English grammar, punctuation, spelling and syntax. As an independent contractor, you need to be able to manage your time and meet specific deadlines. You will also be responsible for your invoicing and productivity. They require you to have Skype to be able to communicate with them regularly. Typing speed is also important. They require you to be a touch typist with a minimum speed of 60 words per minute. You must be able to ensure that a document's consistency is maintained, hence attention to detail is important. Finally, you should be able to work independently and follow directions well. Do you need to live in Australia to be able to apply? Pacific Transcription has contractors in many locations. These include New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States, Canada, the Philippines, India and South Africa. They also indicate on their application page what technology is recommended. They strongly advise against the use of Apple or Mac computers as they are unable to play several of the major file types used by their clients. They recommend the use of quality headphones and the use of Express Scribe and foot pedal. How are completed jobs paid for? Contractors are paid per minute of audio transcribed, except for medical typists who are paid per line. The number of speakers, the difficulty of the subject matter, the quality of the audio, and other factors all influence the rate per minute of audio. If you think you have all that they require, then apply now. A link to their application webpage is included in the description below.
Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.